Hey, what is up guys, this is Tech Paradise and today I'm going to unbox the Mi Band 4. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first, this is the Amazon packaging and this Mi Band 4 is available on Amazon for Rs 2,299. Not sponsored. And the packaging is really safe, you don't have to worry about it getting bricked. So this is the packaging of the Mi Band 4 and to be honest, it's really cool looking box which has a few key features written on it of the Mi Band 4, AMOLED color display, heart rate monitor, waterproof up to 50 meter and with music control. So let's open the packaging. Right off the box, the internal packaging is very simple and minimal. First comes the band itself and then a manual which I'm not going to read. It's very basic. If you want you can, but I'm not, so yeah. Then you get the charger, but not the adapter of course, only the USB, and you can connect it to any good charger and it will work. So now let's do some groundwork and set up the band first. You have to install the Mi Fit app on the Play Store or the App Store, whatever you use. Just sign in and add device. After this, it's going to connect, update and do the things that it's supposed to do, and then you're done. So now let's talk about it more. In terms of looks, it looks gorgeous and the design is like a basic fitness band as you would expect. The display, which is a full color AMOLED display, looks really amazing. I mean, I'm speechless. You might not be able to see the beauty of the display in the camera, but in reality it's more beautiful than it looks on camera. It is comfortable to wear and when you wear it first, after a few days you won't even notice that you are wearing it and it's pleasurable. Still, I'm telling you, every time you see it to check out time, you'll always appreciate the display, and with the fact that you can change the watch face of the band, it's amazing. There are around more than 50 watch faces, and if you download a third-party app, you can download more of it. Link of that app will be in the description below. It does all of the basic stuff like what a fitness band would do. It can track running, walking, treadmill, swimming, cycling, exercise, and it shows every information you need to know and you don't have to open your phone again and again. And it also gives you idle alerts. That means if you sit on a table or if you sit for a long time, especially when more than 1 hour, then it reminds you to get up and walk and move a little bit. If you buy the Mi Band 4, that means you ensure that your health is good. It motivates you to do more workout and it tells you to do exercise and it motivates you because when you have something to calculate or record your streaks and your progress in your health, you get more motivated towards your health and you will be more fit. It is definitely a good upgrade from the Mi Band 2, but to be honest, if you have the Mi Band 3, you should not consider buying this. Instead, you should wait for the Mi Band 5 to come next year, which will be much more better and different from the Mi Band 3, hopefully. But if you are using the HRX or the Band 2, then it is a really big upgrade and you should consider buying it. I also didn't have the Mi Band 3 and I didn't use the Mi Band 3 because I thought that I should wait for the Mi Band 4, and now upgrading from the Mi Band 2 to the Mi Band 4, it is a really great update. So if you have a Mi Band 2 or HRX, you should consider buying the Mi Band 4. So it's a really great band if you want to track your progress in health, and you'll really appreciate it and you'll be fit after having this Mi Band 4. So that's it for today guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you really liked my video and if you really love tech videos, hit that like button too. Thanks for watching. This is Tech Paradise and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.